Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create custom fields into Bitrix24 CRM, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in our Bitrix24 account, and then you have to go to CRM section. In the CRM section, you will get all the menus. Here, you will get the more option. In the setting, you have to click on the CRM setting. Here you will get another setting, that is from an report setting, and you will get the custom fields option. Now you can create multiple fields into lead, contact, company, deal, and estimate. So accordingly, you can create any custom field into your Bitrix24 CRM entity. So now we will do the fields in lead section. So for this, just click on fields option. Here you can see whatever custom fields we have created, these are mentioned over there, and also you can see the type and required. So if you want to create, then you can directly click on the add field option. Now just give the name for your field. Now I'm adding uh, address field, and you have to just choose the type. If you are putting any value, then you can use string. If there is number, then you can give the number, and if there is list of addresses, then you can take list. Now I taken the list, and in the list you can add multiple options. You can see here it is Maharashtra, then you can add another one, that is Thane, and then I'm adding another one, that is Dombivli. So here it is. Now I'm applying these settings and saving. After saving, you can see our custom fields has been created, address with the list type. You can also view this in the lead section. Click on the lead, click on create option, and here you will get the address field. Now you will see the address field. Select it, and here it is, Maharashtra Thane Dombivli, that we have added. So just like that, you can create multiple fields into Bitrix24 CRM for your smooth workflow and efficiency. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.